Alright guys, we're back with another video. I told y'all in a couple of posts that we'll be working on another build. Of course, this wouldn't be the second build, it'll be let me see, I don't know. We might be on the 4th, 5th build, whatever it is. I don't know if y'all been following the channel. This is not definitely not the first or the second. So we kind of up in, we done kind of hit a bunch of different things. So we're working on something new. But today I got part of the projects to get started, because we're gonna be doing some powder coating and things like that on the channel. And like I said, this is gonna be a little stretched out because we're gonna go all the way from scratch. Not really from scratch, but we're gonna make it the way we want it to be as far as the paint color, the powder coating color, and things of that nature. We're gonna make everything kind of go together. So we're gonna get to what we got first. Let me get these boxes open. Y'all wait right there. All right, guys, we got Sundown 12-inch frames right here. Of course, I gotta clean it up. Y'all can see that's one. I got these peanuts. The peanuts can get messy. That's two. Some of the frames are a little cut, the little gasket, but I got some new gaskets too, so that's two. That's three of them. That's four. They're looking pretty good too. That's five. All right, going to the next box. I got a lot to clean up behind myself. That's six. We got seven. That's eight. That'll be nine. We still going. Still going. That'll be 10. That's 11 right there. Of course, y'all, like I said, we're gonna make a video. I gotta clean them gaskets, clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna just try to heat it up, and that way I can take it off. That's 11 right there, right? I said 11. Mm-hmm. All right. That's 12. All right. That's 13. $14. 15. 16. All right. 17. So we got 17 of the Sundown mega frame baskets right here. Of course, I just got one of them to one of these is just to so I can use to get my cutouts and everything just like I want them, how I want it placed and things like that. But these will be powder coated to another color, so these will be cleaned up, powder coated, the whole 9. And y'all wait right there. Y'all stay right there. Y'all hold on. It's hot out here again today. So yeah. All right. Let me move these box out the way. Now get me a good old box in like that, you know. My good guys, man, over there at Sundown, they always take care of me real good, so you know. For sure, they take care of me. I like that. I sure appreciate it. Brian Chamberlain and everybody working over there, you know, they get me shipped out real quick. You know, get me taken care of. Brian do a good job. Jacob and everybody else over there. And whoever else got something to do with it, probably. I don't know everybody's name, but you know, let me take that out the way. And my little invoice, put that over there. My parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 17 right there. That's for my gasket right there. My rings. That is 1, 2. That's 5, 10. Y'all know. 15. 17 right there. We got all the rings. So this all right there for that. But this just step 1 of the process right there. Just unboxing everything, make sure everything is there. As y'all can see right there. And we may add some more, but I think this is it. You know, so we're gonna do some powder coating. And y'all just stay tuned and y'all see how this turn out. So y'all be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Use the link down below in the description or whatnot. If y'all know about these, just go like this. Vent ring right there, spacer ring. You put that on there, then you mount, you know, mount all down. But yeah, that's how that goes. So, you know, just in case you didn't know what it was, some people may not know. But yeah, man. And appreciate the Cody Johnson, man, over there. Dropping Hertz. I bought them from him. Them baskets he had. And he was just trying to get rid of them on the site. I seen them on there. And I don't know what everybody else experience is, but he got me right. You know, he got me right. I ain't gonna lie. He shipped that out quick to me. I ordered on the weekend and shipped out the next following week, you know. And I got it today. So, you know, everything was packaged up good. I got it quick. And yeah. You know, he had a good little deal over there. I really didn't even know if I wanted them or not, because I really didn't have a need for it, but figured I might as well go ahead and get it for another project. So here we are. You know, I guess we're gonna start buying stuff when we don't need it, so when we do need it, we already got it. So yeah. And I'm gonna be sure to tag my daughter's channel in the video. Y'all be able to go over there and subscribe as well. She getting started. She got some demo videos of some of y'all's builds and stuff like that. So y'all be sure to go over there and subscribe as well. Yeah. But stay tuned. We're gonna be back on the next one.